to calculate their internal audit and external audit, and this audit will be depends on audit team. Okay, that means power quality audit is very important to improve the efficiency of the power quality. That means this power quality audit is organized the quality management system, and this quality management system is the key element of the Indian standard organization, that is called as ISO quality system. And this ISO quality system standard symbol is ISO 9001. Okay, now also in power quality audit, in which we have to need several parameters, and this parameter will be depends to each other. That means voltage, current, frequency, then power factor. Okay, then also we have to estimate all losses, then also calculate overall cost of the power, then also in which we have to need efficiency, that is output power upon input power plus losses, and also in which we have to calculate efficiency in percentage, then we have to calculate efficiency. Okay, that means efficiency is very important part in power quality audit. Okay, then also in power quality audit, okay, then also in which we have to determine all the parameters which is need to define quality system process. Okay, and also in which we have to need assessment criteria for power quality audit. Okay, and these assessment criteria can be made with the help of different rules and regulation and follow with the help of procedure as per Indian standard organization. Okay, then also this power quality system standard ISO is the series of ISO 9000. Okay, and this series standard from 1994 to 2008 series. Okay, and also in which we have to need audit, and this audit is very important in to improve all the parameters, and also in which we have to need actual effectiveness, and this actual effectiveness of the quality management system, it gives result, and this result is can be implemented with the different parameters. Okay, and these different parameters maybe depends on their level. Okay, then also in outage management system we have to need to use different tools, and these different tools verify all the object and collect all the evidence and try to improve power quality. Okay, then also in which we have to need to define different target level. Okay, and this these are the different target level to provide evidence to concerning reduction and elimination of the problem. That means easy to reduce all the problems. Okay, then also the main advantages of ISO organization, it gives corrective action, and also it gives highlights of the good practices. Okay, that means in this way we have to need power quality audit, and also this power quality audit also share all the information and also check the all parameters, and also it give report on the all parameter. Okay, also power quality audit, it is the integral part of the regulatory commission. Okay, then also in which we have to need administration. Okay, and this administration can be performed with the help of quality system regulation. Okay, and this quality system regulation, it gives better power quality audit with respect to higher education system. Okay, then also the main thing of the power quality audit, it gives better result and also give better efficiency. Okay, then also the power quality audit also develop first in UK, then also develop in other countries like USA. Okay, then finally in 1994 the power quality audit developed in 1994 in India, and also in which describe all the rules from 1994 to 2008. Okay, then also this audit can be useful for safety purpose, because power quality audit will be check the all parameters and it gives all the parameters their period. Okay, that means most of the equipments use based on electricity, and then also you check all the parameters. Okay, then also in which we have to need safety monitoring techniques, and this safety monitoring technique is very helpful for person, because all skill based person will be work in, for example, industry etc, any other. Then at that instant we have to need powerful safety for human. Okay, then also the process and task of the quality audit, it depends on variety of the softwares and self assessment tool, and finally this self assessment tool converted into assessment report, and finally this assessment report sent to the customer. Okay, and in this assessment report will be consist of all parameters will be checked in your industry. Okay, like any other parameters, like all the testing parameters will be defined in assessment report, and finally goes down the conclusion and which condition is necessary for to improve the safety of the human in your industry. Okay, then also the power quality, it gives the main thing of the power quality audit and purpose is it gives better efficiency. Okay, then also in which analyze all parameters and also analyze quality cost and the cost of the quality, and also in which we have to need to check all parameters from input side to output side, and finally goes down to the power quality audit, and also in which we have to need assessment process is very important, because assessment process will be depends on all parameter. Okay, that means power quality audit is very important in to improve the efficiency and quality of the power. That means first we have to check all the parameters in power quality audit. Okay, now in unit number 5, that means power quality audit is very important also, in which we have to need web based monitoring for power quality, then also power conditioners useful for smart grid. Okay, then also these are the different issues. Power quality issue is very important in when grid is connected to the renewable energy sources. Okay, then power quality standard and their issues and consequences. Okay, that means unit number 5 totally based on power quality management. Okay, now at that instant unit number 5 is very simple, because in which only 5 topic is based on power quality audit and their issues, their interconnections with renewable energy sources, then power quality conditioners. Okay, now at that instant unit number 5 is very simple and based on power quality management. Okay, now at that instant power quality is very important in smart grid. Okay, then unit number 5 will be is completed. Now we have started unit number 6. Okay, then